Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the simple steps to set up your Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender, which will help you extend your Wi-Fi coverage across your home. Whether you're looking to eliminate dead zones or improve your signal strength, this guide has you covered. Let's dive in. First things first, let's unbox the Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender itself, the power adapter, a quick start guide, and an Ethernet cable. Make sure you have everything before proceeding. Next, plug the extender into an electrical outlet. Ideally, you want to place the extender about halfway between your router and the area where you need a stronger Wi-Fi signal. Wait for the power LED to turn on, which indicates the device is ready for setup. Now, grab your smartphone or computer. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for the Wi-Fi network name, usually labeled Singtel Mesh Extender or something similar. Click on it to connect. You won't need an internet connection for this step, as we're setting up the extender directly. Connect to the extender's network, then open a browser and enter the setup IP address, typically 192.168.0.1. This allows access to the extender's configuration page for setup or adjustments to network settings. In the setup portal, you'll be asked to connect the extender to your main router. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. The extender will now sync with your router, establishing a connection. After the extender connects to your router, the setup portal will guide you through checking the signal strength. If the signal is too weak, you may want to adjust the placement of your extender. Make sure it's positioned in an optimal spot for maximum coverage. Finally, connect your devices to the new extended Wi-Fi network. You'll either see a new network name or your original network name with a _ext suffix. Enjoy improved Wi-Fi speeds and coverage throughout your home. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of expert professionals is available to help you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out for support or guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for immediate assistance. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Singtel Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender. We hope this guide has helped you get your network up and running. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.